Hey, Mom, do you feel the ground moving?
No.
I felt it moving. Seems like there's a bit of an earthquake.
I didn't feel anything.
Oh, I feel the ground moving a bit.
Wow.
Yeah, this is scary shit, you know?